Okay, so for this example, for this video, it'll be a short video. So this is going to go off of the guidelines for modeling data. So there are two steps, really. And in the last example, I basically explained and used these two steps to solve a problem where we're applying it to real data. So step number one is for modeling data. Step number one, we want to make a scatter plot of the data and see if it matches what kind of trend it has. If it has a linear, if it looks like a straight line, then we want to model linear data. If there's a curve, we might want to model something else like exponential or quadratic or something like that. But for this section, we're only dealing with the linear model. And in the last example, I showed where we can do that. So we looked at the scatter plot and we saw, oh yeah, it does look like a straight line. Okay, so step one is look at the scatter plot of the data, okay, before you go any further. Okay, then step two is we want to find an equation that models that data, that fits those points as closely as possible. Now for a straight line, this involves selecting two data points like we did in the previous example, and then finding the equation of a straight line that goes through those 2 points. And that's really all we did. So those are the 2 points. Step one, make a scatter plot, look at what it looks like. If it looks like a straight line, then we're going to want to go to step two and then find 2 points. Again, you can pick any 2 points in the data set to get your equation of line. Now realize that different points will give you a different answer. So usually they take the first and last point, but again, that's not necessarily always the case. Sometimes you take 2 points that are as close to possible on a line. But again, it's one 6/2 dozen of the other. Okay, now usually you'll be told in class or in the exam or quiz which 2 points to use. Okay, but again, these are the 2 steps. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll be more happy to answer them. Thank you. Have a great day.